Yeah, honey, like, I don't even got no sheets on my bed. What's up, y'all? It's me, May, and today's gonna be a productive day. Okay, so boom. I know y'all can tell by like my background that this is not the cleanest environment right now. So this is what we finna get into, the cleaning of my beautiful room. Yeah, honey, like, I don't even got no sheets on my bed. Like, okay, it's time to clean up. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like before, and then we're gonna clean up in like little sections, and then yeah, we got this. I like to talk about my hair. That's because I don't know if y'all seen the Valentine's Day nails. But yeah, go check out that video. And yeah. Here we go. Like, literally, what in the world? Like, girl, the before. Let me step back. Ooh, it's me, a baddie. Okay, I'm too embarrassed. This need it. Decoration purposes only. This look way better than what it was. Okay, so I had to take my other headboard out because it only had one leg, so like it be in my way. So yeah, just in case I was like, it's okay. I love candles, y'all. It's like my favorite one right now. Come sit. Come sit. Come sit. I got a lot of stuff everywhere, literally. So that's what it is. Finished cleaning up like my bed and over here, like just this little area though. And over there where y'all had seen at first. I just be having stuff everywhere. We gonna get right back into cleaning. Hello. We finna make a music video. So over there is where I be like keep my purses and stuff, and Coach purse sit right there because that's my most recent purse. For the product, let me know because right now it's literally just going to sit there. Like, yeah, I forgot about yeah, this part is time. Okay, so it's like my second day here, and I finished up clothes, but right now I'm gonna finish my closet and we're gonna keep going. Period. We done. We done. Hold on. What? Yeah. Period. Miss Clean. Miss Clean Tank. Ooh. With your little throw on the bed, honey. Classy. It's giving it. It's giving it. It's giving it. the final product is clean in here. It's looking good. Don't mind them boxes. That's for the business. I'm gonna do an unboxing about that, and my closet looks way better than it did. We can say that for another video. That's my ring light. It's getting moved over there, and yeah, it looks great, y'all. We did it. So I thought I'd come on here to go through like how I clean up my room. I know mine is way different from others. Yeah, so we did it. I kind of needed to clean my room because like when your room not clean, it's like cluttered. Like everything is cluttered. Like you can't think straight. You know what I'm saying? So when you come to a clean room, you know what you need to do. Like, and just, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's clean. So yeah. If y'all have any video suggestions that y'all think I should do, hit me up. And yeah, if y'all see something in my room that y'all like, let me know, and I will drop the link to what you're looking for. That's about it. I think I'm gonna do a room tour, but I think I'm gonna do it in my next video, or the one after that. Whatever. But yeah, if you ain't like, comment, and subscribe, why is you even here? Why is you even here? But yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in this video. Bye, y'all.